convert bitmap to vector. So do you know the difference between bitmap and vector? I'll tell you first. Bitmap is a graphic image. Bitmap represents the value of a pixel in an image. If you zoom or enlarge the image, it will be a pixelate. And then vector is a graphic artwork made up of points, lines and curves. That means no matter how large or small or how close you zoom in on the image, the line, curves, point remain the same. As you can see this image format is bitmap. This is RG bitmap 72 into 72 dpi. 72 dpi is not good quality for enlarged printing. If you enlarge it, this will be a pixelate. And well, do you know what is the dpi? Dpi it's dot per inch. See this image, this is vector image. See this. If we zoom this image, this won't be pixelate. And if we change the size of this image, also the point and curves remain same. See, if we change the size of this image, this will be a pixelate. See this. Let's start. I'll start from the beginning. Delete this image. Import the image. So let's start. Let's convert this image into vector. Go to the tab of bitmap and here trace bitmap. You will find so many options here for tracing: line art, logo, detailed logo, clip art, low quality image, high quality image. Every option has a different work of tracing. Also you can find the same option here, trace bitmap. So you go to the trace bitmap, detailed logo. See this image has been traced, but there is some difference in between both the images. So let's start the smoothing. Adjust the smoothing for better quality of your vector. As you can see, I set this I set the smoothing. Now go to the details, adjust the detail, increase the details and show this text clearly. Detail this image. So now you can see the image. It looks like same as the bitmap. You can change the color mode also. RGB to CMYK. Code. See the number of colors in RGB mode. There is 45 colors in this image. If we change the mode of the color into CMYK, the color is only 37. If we change the mode of color, the number of colors can be decrease or increase. So we select this only on RGB mode. You can remove the background by clicking on the remove background. You can remove any color from this. Go to specify color, select on the color which color you want to remove. In this also there is a option remove color from entire image. If you select any color, it will be removed from image. The color will be removed in all the part of image. As you can see, if I click on the black color, the black color will be removed from everywhere in this image. Go to the color. As you know, there is a 45 colors in this image. Now you can see these all the colors. Select all the colors which you want to merge with Alt key, then merge. As you can see, the color number of color has been decreased with 45 to 43 because we merge the three color into one. As you can see, there is so many shades of gray. Now you can merge all of this with the help of control key. Dark gray, you can also merge the dark gray. Now you can see there is only 37 colors are left. We merge so many colors. If you want to change the color, select the color, go to edit and change the color like this. Okay, color has been changed into green. Right button to zoom this image to check the clarity, to check the difference between bitmap and vector. Click the left button for zoom out, then OK. Now your image has been converted into bitmap. So see this. Now delete this original image. Select the image and press P to set the object into the center of the page. Also, if you want to change anything in this vector image, you can change here also. Just ungroup, select the image and ungroup there and ungroup this. Control U for ungroup. Now this image has been ungrouped. Now you can change the color from here to you can see I'm changing the color. Also you can adjust the curve like this. You can see the just adjust the curve like this. select the image, click 2 times on rectangle tool with the shift key, to rectangle same size of your image, select the shape tool, fill the color of this image, group the image again, now check the difference, enlarge this image, (6.562 into 25/55). Now curves is still same.